Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my
video. I go kill her. I dey come, I go kill her. Make una no hide. If they talk, they where France or where, I go kill you. If by the Finland come, I go kill you. A dozen Sinacha. No, I do. I go first kill all of them already here. Now me, anywhere you want, I go appear there. Call me. Bring those people, man, they kill them one by one. Then they tell you how many don't die. And they run. And they run. Why are they run? Now the creek week with this one. And I see the creek week with my 21 big legs. Now where they kill now? You talk rubbish. Cowards. I've been telling you over the years. Now I'm ready for you. I am in the theater of war, killing you. People are afraid of you. They are doing it at home. They don't get any power. No power at all. You can't spoil Igbo land. I am Alai Biaba. I am from Obom. I am an Abba man. I know what Abba people are. I will kill all of you. I will smoke you people out and kill you one by one. Political solution. If Nigerian state is afraid of you.
Now listen to me, Dr. Asàři. I understand that sabotage runs in your blood. But you know what my joy is? Even the people of Calabari knew that you were a traitor. Your own people knew that you were a traitor. That's why I'm happy. And I understand the game you are trying to play, Asàři Dokubo. You want to get us to start fighting with your people. Anytime you want to speak idiotically, you will begin with, oh, you don't know that I'm a Calabari man. Every brave warrior born in Calabari knew that you're a traitor. They knew very well that you're a traitor. That's why none of them have respect for you. That's why you are growing like overfed babu. That's why you are growing like overfed buffalo. No Calabari man, no Calabari woman have respect for you. The boys you are using is just imported boys from rural area, people that have no electricity in their place. So they come to your place to enjoy generator. So they come to your place to watch television. They don't have television in their place. They don't have a generator in their place. So they don't have electricity in their place. The reason why they are following you like bees is because it's only in your house they can enjoy television and cold water. That's why they're following you. You don't think they respect you. They are following you out of hunger. They are following you out of hunger. Asàři Dokubo, listen, let me tell you. You claim to be a man of integrity. Where is the 20 million Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave to you? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are calling them today. So you knew that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is this, but he gave you 20 million naira and you take. And not even only 20 million naira. The time you complained of how hungry you are, how much did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give you? And what happened with the money Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave you? Asàři Dokubo, let me tell you something. You are not going to succeed in joining our head with our Karabali products. No, it's not going to happen. You know my joy? Every born brave Karabali person know you as a traitor. And that's why you are just that's why you are just growing just like how will I call you, buffalo, like ancient buffalo, not even new modern buffalo, ancient buffalo. So you bring media war upon my people, and you think we are going to run away. You think because of all these boys, hungry, wretched, tout, battered and beaten and frustrated boys you just gather from nowhere, you think we are going to give them orphanage and some AK-47 to come and scare Igbo? You are too small. And the order have been given. The order have been issued on Radio Biafra that anywhere we see you, we push you and you will fall. And my people know exactly what we're talking about. We're going to push you like this so that you fall. That's all. So I want to tell you, Asàři Dokubo, bring it on. You think now is 1967 when your so-called fathers use media publicity to sell our people. Your father sold our people, and you have the audacity to come on live and say it. But I don't blame you. I blame some of our leaders, because when Adeyinka grandson tried it with Ndibo, we witnessed what Igbos did to him, and you came online to speak without fear that people should execute the Igbos, that you don't know who they are. You came online to show your gun, and the Igbo leaders kept quiet. None of them want to speak to you. Some of them are contracting you. Asàři Dokubo, who sent his boys to Ikenga Imo's house, who contracted you to kill Ikenga Imo, and today you are whining and dining with the selected president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they called Jakapan. You are. That's one thing I don't understand about Nigeria. They celebrate failure. They celebrate failure. That's why nothing is working in Nigeria. So, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, are you whining and dining with Asàři Dokubo as if Asàři Dokubo is a senior professor in one university in Nigeria? So, tell me, who is Asàři Dokubo? Who is Asàři Dokubo? You are whining and dining with him. Somebody who is suffering from heart failure, and he has somebody who is not healthy. Asàři Dokubo, you will witness media war. You think now is during the time of your father. You brag that your father sold our people. You brag that you are coming to do it. Billions of you, including your ancestors, cannot do it. We are too big to be small, and we are too connected to be disconnected. Buffalo and overfed ancient, how do you call it, buffalo, over babu like you, overfed pig. That's why they call you pig. They call you as your hair, and you get angry. You never see something. Anywhere we get you, we push you. Just to push you small, you go and fall because you are not serious. Babu, buffalo like you, Ediabale, smelling wild animal like you. We are keeping quiet, and you think you can bully the Igbos. I don't blame you. I blame our leaders. I blame our governors who are dealing with you. They contracted you, and you deceived some boys to go to Ikenga Imo's house to kill him. So tell me, what did Ikenga Imo do to you? Somebody, once they pay you money, you are ready to do anything. Asàři Dokubo. No wonder they call you Ediabale. Ediabale is one smelling little pig. Edi is Ejioya. That's the meaning. The meaning of Ediabale is Ejioya. And when they call you Ejioya, you get angry. Why are you calling me? Are you not Ejioya? Are you, when you are taking your bath, can you stretch your hand by your buttocks? Considering how large you are. Who cleans your buttocks for you? That's why they call you Ejioya. Ediabale. I'm a Diabari of Karabari. Who knows you in Karabari? Let me tell you, Karabari people celebrated you when the time they think you're a human being. Then they thought you're a human being. Now they have get to know that you is your that bush pig. You are ranting on Facebook. The Igbos. My name is Sèŕìøùśly Tractor, just like your grandfathers. Tractor. But this new generation of Igbo, we are going to give you man to man, boot to boot rubbish.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back. Una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.